have to give the girl them all the thing them love. Full of girl like the factory. Money in there enough, like me win the lottery. Fully charged up like the new car battery. Real bad girl, pretty clean, she attractive. Zero, we full of girl like the factory. Money in there enough, like
reaction.
What's good YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Back in another video for you guys. Wait. Drop some comment right now to see your comment over there in the next video that I post. Alright, good. We don't talk about that. Right now, people back in Belize. What's going on? I know y'all missed the reaction back, but guess what? We're back in effect right now. And I'm back with the multiple uploads per day. We're back with the entertainment for you guys. So you understand me? So make sure to subscribe now if you're not subscribed yet. Like. Subscribe. Just some fire emojis, dog. Anyway, so I have 6 Frass, Denzi, Coolie, Sankar, Factory, full of Gyal, official video. You see me, I say reaction box there right now for reason phone. I say big up to Denzi, said speed. You don't know say you really said me the same, I know say sang out. You see me, because I didn't see it. You see me, I say big up yourself. You see me, so I say big up to Perf, also big up to DJ Perf, I say big up to 6 Frass, I say big up to Coolie. What's your name? Or him, I'm not sure if it's a girl or female yet, but I say big up to yourself. You see me, I say, and I think you're produced by Zero, so big up yourself. You see me, I say bro, God. Or big up yourself, Zero. Make us see what I want. Rajun, Well out. You have the Chevy. You have the GMC van. Tell you where that I go. Where that I go? Where that I go? When I play that one there. Go on.
yo Coolie. What go on, my bad brother? You know a 6 Frass. Yo TNS. Fully. Yo Denzi.
TNS music. Go myself.
Yo DJ Perf.
Big up all the pitbull there too. Big up all the girl right in front of people. Ooh. You know, say every time I to a song from Belize, I find the next girl and I fall in love with a dog, but
6. Full of girl like the factory. Money in there enough, like me win the lottery. Fully charged up like the new car battery. Real bad girl, pretty clean, she attractive.
this is gonna be me in a couple of minutes. Full of girl at the factory. You see me, I say, well, charge up like the car battery. Because right now, see that one there when the construction close. You turn it over.
Like the factory. Money there enough.
You see she had trouble already. And the song just start. 6 Frass, start to it.
Like me win the lottery. Fully charged up like the new car battery. Real bad girl, pretty clean, she attractive. Zero, we full of girl like the factory. Money there enough, like me win the lottery. Fully charged up like the new car battery. Real bad girl, pretty clean, she attractive.
I'm thirsty. I'm kind of thirsty, so you know we're gonna have to go black out the world right now. We can't make them see what I want. I'm thirsty. I saw me I put it on, don't tap.
We a fi elevate, bro, God we live great. Panamisha now a time fi celebrate. Sexy brown link a cup, watch your shape. 2 nipple them stiff like grape. Watch the style, bad boots that a be a pocket thick with Kyle. Gyal a rush me down, cool up on the port side. Fully 6 bad, be my 0 black.
Well, up on the both side, hold on.
We a fi elevate, bro, God we live great. Panamisha now a time fi celebrate. Sexy brown link a cup, watch your shape. 2 nipple them stiff like grape. Watch the style, bad boots that a be a pocket thick with Kyle. Gyal a rush me down, cool up on the port side. Fully 6 bad, be my 0 black jet ride. Young them take off, then see with up on the outside. Right. Full of gyal like the factory. Money in there enough, like me win the lottery. See with up on the outside. Full of gyal.
It's like them sprinkle little oil pan. It's like them sprinkle little oil pan it, dog. Good.
Like the factory, money there enough. Like me win the lottery. Fully charged up like the new car battery. Real bad girl, pretty clean, she attractive. Zero. We full of girl like the factory. Money there enough. Like me win the lottery. Fully charged up like the new car battery. Real bad girl, pretty clean.
Tell them this right. I'm not gonna be able to myself here. But don't want to walk me in the last 4 videos I'm react to phone happen again. You see me I say? Every time I react to them video, I find a girl and I fall in love with her. Right now I see 2 on them up in Japan. That's why I have on the darkers right now because I want to behave myself. Okay? Big up to the Belize man then. Big up on yourself. You look damn good. You damn sexy. I'm not doing nothing the right way. That's why I say big up everybody. Big up yourself too, Ashanti. Earbender. Good!
She attractive. The girl them want a real G and you know that. The way me love your heart, girl you want to come back. She link up on my yard in a sun knot. Me woulda give you anything just to comfort. Anywhere we go, you know the girl them love we. And you know we got the tool way longer than the trophy. And the floor.
Oh, make them know the dog. You see me I say, man, don't skinny early in the dog. We skinny in the dog. You see me I say, anywhere we go, brother. Anywhere we go, then see. Make sure pull up your part from now too, because they think them can test in you. You see me say, I see all I want for one of them too. I want to take them. I think when I see her, God!
Girl, them want a real G and you know that. The way me love your heart, girl, you want to come back. She link up on my yard in a sun knot. Me woulda give you anything just to comfort. Anywhere we go, you know the girl them love.
Pass anything. Did I get anything? Just to comfort. Oh, as people, if you don't want to watch the song, listen to the song, I watch the video for yourself. The link is going to be down below in the description of this video. Go print for yourself. You see me? I say, I'm just here to do the reaction. I don't know, say people don't like the reaction, but I react to the music. So, you see me? I say, just the link will also always down below in the description of this video. Run tune.
I don't know, we got the tool way longer than the trophy. And the floor, no boy could have never touch it. So, we have to give the girl them what they think them love. Full of girl like the factory. Money there enough. Like me win the lottery. Fully charged up like the new car battery. Real bad girl, pretty clean, she attractive. Zero. We full of girl like the factory. Money there enough. Like me win the lottery. Fully charged up like the new car battery. Real bad girl, pretty clean, she attractive. TNS. I'm a dogs clean man, a top class. Got them gyal searching red up on the atlas.
I can't what me say, Mr. Coolie. Before you start, hold on the Coolie. Before you start, I start the real Coolie. I have to contain myself, Coolie. I could go start turn on the glass to Coolie because that beat just attacked me while I was Coolie, brother. I'm sorry, dog. She just attacked me while I was. Go on, Coolie.
Real bad girl, pretty clean, she attractive. Zero. We full of girl like the factory. Money there enough. Like me win the lottery. Fully charged up like the new car battery. Real bad girl, pretty clean, she attractive. TNS. I'm a dogs clean man, a top class. Got them gyal searching red up on the atlas. Colder than Atlantis, heart never drops off. Make a liquid 6 fast, then she get the Glock fast. Who them boy they boom boom, where you chat talk. And me dogs and murder shot us into back. Yeah. Style up chat room, gyal a do it, she bam bam bam. Tell her lifestyle boy, I know God.
I'm sorry. Dear Lord, thank you for making females. Alright. Yo, I want her Instagram. Somebody send my Instagram send me at my Instagram. Tyrekevlogs, go follow me there right so go and follow me. As I say, go and follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to reach 10,000 followers, so go follow me. I'm currently 1,500 followers away, so go follow me. 10K we are charged. But me don't want that right now. I want she. So send me fear at. No. Wait. Go on.
Man, full of girl like the factory. Money there enough. Like me win the lottery. Fully charged up like the new car battery.
She talking to that. And she me attack, yeah.
Bad girl, pretty clean, she attractive. Zero. We full of girl like the factory. Money there enough. Like me win the lottery. Fully charged up like the new car battery. Real bad girl, pretty clean, she attractive. TNS. Yo Zero, you know the chop. Young Lion International, RMR. We outside with no fear. Fully 6. One press. Dolphin team. TNS, you know we up again.
Kendix, you got yourself in a Kendix. Don't know chapter now. Reaction Boss represents the Reaction Boss signing out things. I say, why am I camera recording already? Peace out.